How to log into your Temu account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log into your Temu account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure to download and install Temu application on your device. If not, head towards App Store or Play Store depending upon your device and search for Temu. Once you get the app, you will find the install button. Select the install button and download on your device. After that, tap open button to get access to the official homepage of TAMU app. Now tap sign in button at bottom right corner of the screen and you will land on the section. You can either continue and log into your existing account, or you can tap sign in with another account and either continue with Google, Facebook, email, or phone number. You can tap continue with Google if you wish to, and then easily log into your account. To check, tap U button at bottom center of the screen and you can see the username at top of the screen. That is how we log into our Temu account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.